How to change your name in Massachusetts. In this video, we will explain how you can change your name legally in Massachusetts. Legal name change process in Massachusetts. Cost to change your name in Massachusetts. Massachusetts name change forms. County Courts of Massachusetts legal name change. We will also explain adult name change in Massachusetts. Child/minor name change in Massachusetts. Marriage name change in Massachusetts. Divorce name change in Massachusetts. This name change information is brought to you by LegallyNameChange.com. To prepare your documents fast, please click on the link in the description. What is the cost to file a name change in Massachusetts? You can file your name change in any probate and family court of Massachusetts. The court filing fee for a name change is $150, $15 surcharge, and $15 fee for citation, notice, for publication, if required. Local courts accept different types of payments: cash, check, credit card, etc. Call your court to find out which methods of payment are accepted in that location. Forms required for a name change process in Massachusetts. There are 4 types of name change forms you will have to use to file your name change legally in Massachusetts. Adult name change. Child/minor name change. Marriage name change. Divorce name change. You must fill out the right forms and bring them to the clerk of the Massachusetts courthouse near your location. The required forms for Massachusetts name change process are: petition to change name of adult, CJP 27. Motion for temporary orders, CJD 400. Court activity record information and warrant management system release request form, CJP 34. Some courts also require you to fill out local forms to ask for a name change. Ask your local court clerk if there are local forms you have to fill out. You may be able to find your court's local forms on your probate and family court's website. Make sure to keep copies of any local forms you fill out. Sign your name change petition in front of the notary. Do not sign the petition until you are in front of a notary public. A notary public can often be found at local banks, clerk's offices, and other government agencies. Other documents required for name change in Massachusetts. A certified copy of your birth certificate, long form. If you have changed your name in the past, you must file the certified document showing that name change for each time your name changed. Examples of this are a marriage certificate, judgment of divorce, or another court decree of the name change. Social security number. Driver license. Marriage name change in Massachusetts. You can choose to change or keep your name when you get married in Massachusetts. If you've chosen to change your name, you should have included the new one when you filled out your marriage license before your wedding. Your name is automatically changed to the one listed on your certificate after your wedding. After you get a copy of your marriage certificate, you can apply for identification with your new name, including a social security card, Massachusetts driver's license, and U.S. passport. You should get your social security card first because the Registry of Motor Vehicles, RMV, will check your social security number when you apply for a new license. Name change after divorce in Massachusetts. If you're getting divorced and want to resume a name you have legally had in the past, you can ask to resume this former name in your complaint for divorce, CJD 101, joint petition for divorce form, CJD 101A, or counterclaim for divorce, CJD 202. Make at least 2 copies of all your forms. The court will keep the original. 1 copy is for you, to save for future reference. Filing a legal name change in Massachusetts. Complete a petition to change name of adult, CJP 27, and other forms. Attach documents with your current name, birth certificate, driver's license, and documents that show a name change, marriage certificate. You must file a case to change your name in the probate and family court in the county where you live. Publish the citation. You need to give public notice of the petition by publishing it. The citation for publication will be sent to you by the court. If you have a good reason for the notice not being published, you can file a motion, CJD 400, to waive publication. An affidavit, a sworn statement, must be filed with the motion explaining why you don't want the notice published. You may have to go before a judge to present your reasons. Otherwise, you must arrange to have the citation published in a local newspaper and mailed according to the instructions given in the order of notice on the citation. The mailing must be by certified mail, return receipt requested. After publication and mailing, return the original citation with a clipping of the notice from the newspaper, the green return receipt postcard, and your signature certifying that you mailed and published the notice to the court. How soon your case will be heard will depend on the backlog of cases in the probate and family court where your case has been filed. If an in-person hearing isn't required in your case, once you have returned proof of service to the court and the return date has passed, the case will be sent to the judge. If there are objections to the petition, the court will conduct a trial to hear them. The court can either dismiss the petition or enter a decree permitting the name change. If there are no objections, the court may make a decision without a hearing. Get certified copies decree of name change. Ask the court for certified copies of the order, which you can use to change your name in multiple places. Once you get your signed decree, get a certified copy from the court clerk. You can use this to change all your legal documents, including your birth certificate, social security card, and other government-issued identification like your passport or driver's license. You may hire the professional staff of LegallyNameChange.com to prepare the right forms for the right court. The link is in the description. Thank you so much.